Hey guys, MonkeyBoo and Pete, and today we're going to show you a really cool video. A Capuchin monkey versus a remote control. This is one of Boo's most favorite things. Let's just see how long it takes Boo to take this thing apart. Or just, I've already taken the batteries out of it, Boo. What you going to do with it? Take the buttons off like you always do. Did you get a button off finally? Oh yeah. Thank you. Getting it? Oh. You getting it, Boo? Let's see what you're working with, Boo. There's a bunch of... Hurry, get them off of there. Get the buttons off. You getting them? Hurry. There's not many left, Boo. So if MonkeyBoo comes to visit you and he wants to play with your remote, this is what's going to happen to it. It is stripped down, Boo. There's nothing, no buttons left. Do you want to have it for a toy? Good boy. You're so silly, Boo. Shake my hand. Good boy. Get up here. Big jump.